Hey everyone, in this quick tech how-to video, I'm going to show you how to add an emergency contact to your iPhone. You can set people that are saved to your iPhone as an emergency contact in case there's ever an emergency and someone needs to get a hold of someone quickly. Another good use of this feature is by setting a contact. If you ever lose your phone, then at least there's a way for whoever finds it to contact someone that you've set to let them know. To do this, you must have the contact in your phone already. If you still need to do this, I've made a video in the past and I'll put a link to it here. Once you have the contact added, or if you already had them before, open the Contacts app and then choose them from the list. Once you're on this page, scroll down to the bottom and then tap Add to Emergency Contacts. Next, select your relationship to the contact. It will then add them to your emergency contacts list. You'll be taken to your medical ID, where you can then scroll down into the contacts section to confirm. Hit done on the top right when you're finished. If in the future you want to remove them from your emergency contacts, you then just head back into the contacts page and tap Remove from Emergency Contacts at the bottom. Select it again when it pops up to confirm. They'll then be removed from your medical ID. If you want to see where you can access the emergency contacts from someone's iPhone, from the lock screen, try to open the phone until you see the passcode. On the bottom left of this screen, tap Emergency. On the emergency screen, select Medical ID on the bottom left. Here at the bottom, you or anyone else who has access to your iPhone will see your added contacts. And that's how you add an emergency contact to your iPhone. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe and stay tuned for more quick tech how-to videos.